Hey everyone! Today I'm taking you on a whirlwind tour of one of the most enigmatic places on Earth, Cuba. Let's dive right into the heart of this vibrant island and uncover some fun facts that might just surprise you. Did you know that Cuba is not just one island, but actually an archipelago consisting of over 4,000 islands and cays? Yes, you heard that right. Imagine the endless adventure and exploration possibilities from the bustling streets of Havana to the serene, untouched beaches hidden away on smaller islands. Now, let's talk about vintage cars. Cuba is famous for its colorful, classic cars that look like they've driven straight out of a 1950s movie set. These aren't just for show, they are an everyday mode of transport for many Cubans. These rolling relics are kept running with a mix of ingenuity in any parts that can be found, showcasing the Cuban spirit of resourcefulness. Moving on to a sweeter note, Cuba is the birthplace of the daiquiri. The classic cocktail was invented in a small bar in Santiago de Cuba, which quickly became Ernest Hemingway's favorite haunt. So if you're visiting, a taste of the authentic daiquiri is a must. Culture vultures, listen up. Cuban music is a blend of African, Spanish, and Caribbean influences, making it uniquely captivating. Whether it's the rhythmic beats of salsa or the soulful strains of son cubano, the music scene here is pulsating with life and history. It's not just music, every corner of Cuba vibrates with cultural richness, from its art to its architecture. Lastly, did you know that Cuba has a literacy rate of almost 100%? That's right. Thanks to a national literacy campaign in 1961, Cuba boasts one of the highest literacy rates in the world. It's a testament to the country's commitment to education and the power of community effort. So there you have it, a peek into the fascinating world of Cuba, a land of history, culture, and untold stories waiting to be discovered. Whether you're a history buff, a beach lover, or a cultural enthusiast, Cuba has something to offer everyone. Thanks for joining me on this journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel adventures. See you next time.